Me do bia what time me kura me yada wo
colleague wo ho bi ntwa colleague abegime ni munyam colleague ene ebo ni din chem ko encounter bi be honest
e kom de obi anokasa odo wom that time no eja co-pato there was a lot of producers in the industry they were producing so no obi ni time o de kwotena bia akodi konkonsa man hye me ho so a me was star wo ka asem kire me na wo sem kam jaisen twa amo me was set so se me deserve
odi
wo wodin se me deserve bema me kam biem Polino Checheku ya yani ayakola wo yakola wo twasini Checheku enye superhero nsini obia and he is not better than anybody.
Your friend Polino obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy enter here a 0. I rate be a best and be a Lemfi enter here. Now any just a woman say and now hear me video say your first time now download the Lemfi a go smartphone so Lemfi a bet 5% cashback. Unim so use Polino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no and switch all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send a bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Polino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi now. You should never send this car. A bebo ye send here. Miso Abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store and I say Play Store. I have for her a Polino more team. Then your first time, make sure subscribe to channel and click a bell notification so that anytime we drop any interview, be announced every kind of straight. And then my PM East, London East of baby, and I'm a share or comfort colleague. The only the guitar comfort we yes, and I'll be PM1. It's in Babusano, a choir of far so or be PM UK. Oh my comfort.
Minya.
What's it? Ade.
Polino di obenya no. Mintimi nyime nsa ho.
Say.
Awo krom ha no.
Na se me yime nsa ye nyina na awode ye e na esa.
Oh,
so dey was a jacket.
Me say jacket all right, but but my say AI no. My say AI. Me ba ha no me niema me ahonhom a me de ba ye moti am de ba nyina. Omu nyina freeze de da ho. When we ya na abenya. Sa ne na ekoso de. Mo hwa mo ho ye what? Oh! Bema. Unsa hunyu no. Polino mo bre.
Bende.
Se ya na condition no.
Obra suma.
Se ya na condition ne tie dia.
Oh we there yo. Say Rasta man. Last Sunday of this month. See how much?
Yeah.
Last Sunday of this month.
Yeah.
And that time the best change summer because it's a longer day. Nti you beba be lead Ghana one. A good weather part this time. What be to ye? What pay ye?
Say when ye man.
What pay ye pa?
Mr. Mo mo bibi no mo abrochire. Omo mane mo hwe so ye wate. Na
skade ya mfa no kwa o.
Wo mo mfa sika ne kwa. Weather ma betom no. Na mi nhira mo. Why are you what me survive? Asa ko. Boy, ntimi.
Enti me pesa meti ase oba no.
Yeah.
Ofa wiem shen. Ana say o de digital na buy.
Wabusasem me secret pa but ni nyina ne say me scan niema me wo prayer ya na me di tour.
O prayer.
Ahonhom no ye tour.
Me
de na digital. Ba me prayer ne nya prayer ya de prefie.
Okay.
Me de na is a skateboard.
Okay.
So wo mo na be ifo ni use prayer. But me use skateboard. Nti no me
uchia skate dey echu of.
Nti no we ni digital. Nti me digital me the skateboard na etu.
Echu
owiem.
Okay.
Now unfortunately amfa. Me tie no on say skateboard ya na tie was here. Nti me twie no e na tie ba ku tu ye.
Ewiem.
Me yes me be bo people bia e na etu ye. Ewiem people.
Okay.
Polino ne ma wo wiem doso.
Okay.
Na busa say crowd no. Bebre ye people.
Okay.
It a pin crowd baako.
Okay.
Ene ma me baaye.
Okay.
Ti me lande ye no. Na me nya spare tire.
Okay.
Ti na wo say me the flight ba. Enti media koja organizer bi o ye ho adwuma.
more of organizer or yeah
who organizer wo mu ye ne ma na Paulino dia wo asase so bia ebi wo me system mu organizer okay but before you organizer
and I say who mu nyina mo visa
oh
duje who allow the now here so for wiem dia obeje visa
wo de o bounce me Paulino ho nyina ko interview o mo bounce
I have only know what to do. I'm sure UK, Canada, US. That's all I say. Send this car go fear. I amount time go by you. It is also send this car. Not a bedroom within minute. They are na 11.5. 11.5 so send this car until hey. I will send this car now until hey. Now I need to say we say the rate no. Such all the other apps. And that's how you can say instant. Mobile money and as a bank account. Now we use Paulino as a referral code and as a promo code now. Say UK or Europe to say Germany, Spain, Italy, Netherlands, Ireland, and the Kahona. Or better €10. UK so or better £10. So now and know yourself send me £50 and I say €50. Or better £10 and I say €10 for your first transaction. So now US. Now also and Canada, now also $100 and as $100 Canadian dollars. Lemfi ebecho $20 and as $20 Canadian dollars. So you use promo code from Paulino POLENO. Kai say Lemfi is secure. I and your apps now we send now sika hokem near hacky system and there be Lemfi. So this send this scan. Now Lemfi SM more points.
Wow.
Send this scan near more points. The points return no say to me claim me.
Na mo timi send bi ko honhom nyina
Lemfi timi send
ene say me moti na mo ko
ya on be send
oh nice
enti me sure mo nyisu Lemfi enti na me ka kire say me ne oman konfo e wo ha ye be twetwe nkomo wa kire kwan of us obi rem e wo UK me yunti bi da o see honhom ma shem enti obi pevisa obetimi aba na
obi pevisa me yes send ma me send me yes send ma me send me yes
TV station
Comfort colleague vlog.
Okay.
Me yes and
YouTube.
YouTube. Subscribe.
Okay.
Or per visa. Say send mama send say we pay for boys and I say for guests. Say bia o pay say we win lottery. Ni nyina me ye.
All right. What be PM UK? Obi ka say colleague be disen. E bia wa be obi wo event bia o pay say onya o. E kwan da ho wa say ho.
Oh yeah. And she say ho. Ye biem say ye ne ye fans no wo kontuom nso ebebedi nsa wo so nti nya nhihye ye bia ehu bia ne nyina ne say o contact Paulino kra obi ebe link up na ye din komo kama menche dabi
menche so be come home bra
dabi awo we ne sasa bro beba intimi
pastor sini ekoseng
oh nyame adom so far so good adwuma no afi kra na emu eba be yede ana asa afi ne mu ayede nyame de enkwache ne Sunday yi kredi animu yi this Sunday 2025 my latest movie ye premiere ewo DSTV Akwaba Magic and from one of the hottest movie gene ho
they also send
promo apamba
I think say me post me boss the Lord US father of the car say am who say Juma akom ye
very good
oba no obi da bia na
no be man frame apamba
oba bi say the ogo share bi
say ye nenam no unim enti afutuo kese pa na ewom a directed by Evander Chama
Pacho we be a salute Obama Estomon is it
akwantuom asem otiase
ngofo ntiase
me ba ma be hu munya omo why from no man fire normal enye o but nyame tiase enti adwuma no afei kra na say quality no unity yeah afei na quality no unity afei na papa na nkasa Pia Bonte.
Okay, quality. Na say o chere say because you say no sini you must say for the past 2-3 years ago no.
Yeah.
You hwe obi a wa born ho moden e wo sini mu a. To me Paulino me kasama me ho.
Okay.
Dr. Likey I adwuma most because you say me hwe a Emilia Brombe release Koda Films release Virus TV release ni nyina no meka ne say no be to say virus no ye na adwuma convo colleague na ye adwuma but I'm say Dr. Like ni team no the special force be e dey e be rem amankofo etna say okay obere obi fi wa brochi ha no he like obere baby na he like o can say special ones na ba obi so tinchen a obeka say say o true shot who say di
ade ba ko say nyina yete ase ne say Dr. Like adwuma a wabeye eye ono na adwuma a wabeye
okay
but aside Dr. Like no na nkrofo bi nso ye adwuma
okay
enti me more asumasi anaso benten se na adwuma enenye
okay
but adwuma no enye nitwa ne nso ni nitwa enye ne bebribe no
okay
enye ne bebribe na wo twa na kire se message a ede kwa abonten technicality ho nsem na meka on say ye nyina ye adwuma no ena adwuma ne nso enkan kwana se wiase ekọ nanim ena adesua ekoso se nipa te adwuma na se enti se wo te honom na se adwuma no wotimi tena ho wa wotimi kura ye adwuma na wo hu obi adwuma wotimi se se yese ye ka no kura kire ye ho a wotimi twa movie ana ama wotimi kopie bi a wo director bi nso movie so ma hu ne se director yi movie akono wo hwe ne camera shot the quality pictures to say movie I be premiere me say DSTV on it 16th Sunday ya they make say Ghana for no me be giachinya obi enkope bi nhwe you be premiere no Akwaba Magic wa wo DSTV Akwaba number 5 I think say 5 or something yeah obi enkope bi nhwe you get it enti wote adwuma bi sei ho a wa akra no e be kan bibia che so wo be kan no kra kire wo ho a you get it because say be camera me mfa ne say bia me director vendor e de be ya adwuma no e bia nya no na wo de ya adwuma
okay
eno nche say wonimu adwuma but sika e bia akosa project ni mu no enya no bi na e bia wo twae so ati ase pa enti eno e na me twe ni pa adwuna say so say afei na ye tene ma asese this time around e wo say invest
okay
enti papa ne ye won a wo ma invest ewa adwuma nim
okay
na this papa na ba
minchwa no ye can your people are they don't have much but they are really talented
yeah
and then they can make a great movie with less investment
yeah
minim some bacha what much because of say o ka say yem first can rem no enti na make sa
enye sika o tam de rem ba de
okay
materials a o de ye adwuma no
okay
or storyline or camera quality or pictures or sound on say na ye yes anima we nyina
okay
but YouTube ne ba ye no e shall say with phone
okay
near the phones ne twetwetwa
yeah
start bi so you can imagine there were no edit camera ne board den atwa ne wa wo de phone forget to say the iPhone ne twa ye you get it
okay
and there's no way say ebia say nipa no say wo the phone twa na kra na say wo so storyline ye ne ade no a trust me eniema bi wo mu a anhwa wo nya wo be lucky say ye ka no kra enya sika kuntan but eniema nketenkete a ema production no na ye adwini free so say YouTube but em fan share tim say we are doing a project and I say ye production
with what you are saying ne me akra makabi me wo Ghana ne me wo UK na me ne me Vivian J. Lawrence edi nkomo a ono so e ka say sometimes otimi hu adwuma bi na wa try say bi a or the advice say ko then ensem o betete wa achie nkra na e ma ne jaye
you get it
yes you be no ye hu say adwuma no na ebi mu ye ni biara because so the phone e twakra na ye wo these boys me no free country omo the phone e twa movie ama Idris Elba no UK ha
okay
say obey invest in them
that's right
and yet just the phone no because how are all use phone no
exactly
and the better say because obi bet use quality camera
yeah
but no one use
exactly
and also
of course
but how are all use but see e betwa skate your
no
without any meaningful impact we are though a balance entertaining and a comedy there but no wasem na okay
no wasem na me kan said ye be ya ye be hu ne se dwuma no ye twa ye nyina ye twa ntinye ne bebrebe but at the end of the day no ye benya wona wote sini na se ye movie
ye hwe obi to say Dr. Likey omo ne team na omo yes ade no only Likey very cool
oh yeah
what me ay bold that can say ni nyuma na ne boys ni bi ye no enye da
oh on say Likey one of the typer se wono wo set so no wo ye adwuma na enkoyi a obe correct o
all right Likey one person or set so na enkoyi a obe correct o aha Polino multimedia na make actually subscribe na be part of the family also on the obe
cattle and at the same time na nza make say enyuma no ebi wo hono ma ebia no ni so and am found say bi o adwuma bi so watwa ne de awie wokọ de aka no watwa ne saa adwuma no be ba still a wo bi wan hwa be ka so wo mu na still a say ebia na sata no ni set because I know him
okay otimi cattle
mobilization ye ne say ye nyina ye nye o ye da vibe no enti no enye necessary say bia wo mu nnwuma a wo mu ye no but the people around him
and
ebi no mu nye ni ye
all right yenka odo asema e wo the industry nim me ne bega ko say to train come to bomb bebre say odo nim adwuma nim say recently see confusion I mean and fan cry and see confusion yeah paddy na yase e dey show say odo e wo adwuma nim
of course
obia bai and then the lava na mo de te ho mo sere no e kire say odo and no achi e na kwakuma no koye interview guys mo sere kwa na no nkire say odo
de ehye ni mu no naka
okay
so ono no feel say odo ni mu ma obi a e na ye de bia wono no minim de one ne wasem
okay
basically ne ya na ejina ho ma ankrankra
okay
so atia say because obi be ye ni bibi ne no de wo ka ana say wa sekire ana wo de wo hunu
okay
e bia one way or the other no no obi anya ntawantawa bi
na oni nipa ne
sere kwa ana so onim se nipa ne sere kwa e bia wakotene ho asem wo baabi baabi na wakotene ho asem no yesterday nipa ne hia no wone na sere enti wo gina saa de ne so because untimi ngase bia adwuma ne mu nyina no ye nyina no ye dwene pe
okay
ana so ye nyina no ye na obi sere kwa
okay
well no some of us no ye mfa ho I don't know Sadia me can't say ye dielem
okay
me do bia na me what time me kura me yada wo
okay
enti odo no sa untimi force obi kura sa chenchena wo no onyada wo ye nhwade o ma me yemu makura no sa binya mu nyina na madwene ye pe
okay
so never expect say wo be kwa dwumakuo bi mu ama wonya ne pepepe da ba ya wo de na yi wa adwene free de wo no feelings wo feel say wo on de wo tan wo ono na sem
okay
Bible says susukuru a wo be susu no rade wo be susu de ama wo enti sa me de odo ahia wo na sa wo de wo no so wo time am ya wo lie wo
matwa
enti me ya na I don't based on say wo do wo bi mo what apa wo bi mo ahwe wo de sika dwo bi tiri mo ahwe
okay
obi wo no mo a wono wo kompa but odo deep inside the intim bi kra no wo ko ya tuma se a check sa ade no
okay
enyo obi a na timi control na bufuo so de me kan ti ase pa obi wo no mo a odo wunti ade kitua bi a be ye no timi hye ma ne overreact anaka so odo ne de wa sori anopa no aduane abesi u table so
okay
so say ye chire mu de a ene most of us no ke deviate
deep.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah.
My yam fire dwene kode wo ne ye ko tweka de wokote wokoka ho asem no do pa me yana me I even me do me enemies class no mo so mo do me because on de wa finish am mahunu say
too new no
minimum no na wo kasa de wo no wo sere be de aduane be si wo table so no eye odo ana e bia de wo nya free wo ntie wo e bia ade bia wo no so ye ma ne nti what do for condition binti
okay Only obi anya issue o adwuma we mu.
Oh me dey
say bia colleague wo ho bi ntwa colleague abegime nimunyam colleague ene yebo ni din chem like what encounter be honest.
On say yeti bibiri.
Okay.
Yeni bibiri so bi kura utimi ko baabi ukote ho asam ya o baabi. Madam Fubi e kan asem bi kire me. O se ma me wanka na mnim sese na ati o. Ene me te ho asem bi pa o na nye o.
Okay.
Me te especially me referee mu me te nsem bi a na I wasn't even expecting that person.
Wow.
Ba ma sra kire no. Me fane say waka no opinion. Enti menye nipa a me di nipa ho asem hye me
so tiri. Na esini nipa.
Na esini nipa.
Na ko di ho asem.
Of course. Wow. Menye nipa a me di nipa ho asem. Say nipa na nso me ne sere. Na me tenase o e ya brabo.
Okay.
Me papa bi a wotete me osini mu e virus. O kan asem bi wo se unuru ba bi a ye nka ho asem.
Okay. Afide a wona dem.
Ebe de o me kasa na o se me de atale chi a okra.
Ka magino mache nti ewura me mu.
Se de me ho pu o me wedi mu. Nanso ye se wo ko room a ye de room ye maba. Me feel a woni.
What can say ni bebre e deep me baby e warm cry o se onye odo ne de o no aduane
de Debi
ko no kwa no ta ho
che no kwa na e poison wo. We should be very vigilant.
Oh, so be no one
who say what do no one bie kwan na to ho no wanya ho kwan so am na timi asori atia ho. Enti wona one ye kono ye nyege wo mo so wate. Wona wo mo no ye feel say wo mo de wo mo no na ni kura wa pokere de ahwe me sister wona kura ne do because wa ya mo hu no.
Wa mo hu ne faith.
Wa mo hu ne say odi say na tie. Enti no wo be ka say e bia ye sere kire ho ne ade a. E bia ye de wo hu no ntia.
And then a bit me aye because I think that the industry no e be blame obi we ye say then na ye nyina e bit me aye e be ma sini no say no me hu say ba obi ye adwuma.
Yeah.
But then a bit me aye sa odo na Ghana for ti say Jacko carpenter part 1 and 2 ho part 1 e be ma igana na Ghana for the pa hwe no e be ba minim say YouTube na posti but see posti to YouTuber the energy a Ghana for be oh what sini we da oh na colleague you say you that energy no and then ye as industry players ama Ghana for this out don abesha adwuma
Pauline no here investors
sikaya
di
blama
sikaya di
what can it ya
ya na o nipa mpa no kre Polino me catch you play fa beef nyina yisika
okay
e kom di obi anokasa I'm telling you kofia bi mu an sika ni fie ho kofia ohia wom da bia obi na obi twema nso singing room ba ko yetimi ko ho bebro yetimi etwe ho manso nyina we me na ho ye na edija asomasi no obede na wo nso yetimi twe singing room na sesa bi sesika ofie ho na obi asisi adan ya twe singing room ho ayi dai
matase
odonim odowom bede na satam no eja ko pato there was a lot of producers in the industry they were producing so no obi need time or they kwatena bia bia kodi konkonsa
okay
I don't know if you get it
matase
na adwuma no swat
from set
okwa na obi fa go do wo mu ho ben
ana ye bloggers no blame no mo betim dia mai say ye na say ye ne mo twetwe nkomo na ye de mo ho nsem mo bible nti na
na hwe Pauline blogger no be na me ye adwuma wo be nyam ne ma twetwe nkomo
okay
ya me ka tia say still an twako we say we need investors we need support empanyimfo kura se uni adwuma ya abonsam
e ma pa okay
enti se ya aboafo ba adwuma nim na se wo beba ye wo set so wo beba obi ani age sere a wo ye blogger kura na ba asem se de na abete but se we ye adwuma na wo etifi a obese ne yonko
back in the day ko set so ya twetwi
we ni ehuru we na ye wo ka se satam na ntawantawa ni ho
okay
na ntawantawa wo ho satam no kra na me manhye me ho so a me wo star wo ka asem kire me a na wo se nka me jaisi ni twa
wow
asɛm ana ɛya but adwuma no wɔ hɔ
obu abam
obu mabam pamo me wɔ set so
wow
sɛ me deserve
odin
wo wodin sɛ me deserve bɛma men kam yem Paulino
oye kokwala
Paulino ye wo ma na makyerɛ mu no so ho no but
now on the director be the tire adwuma send dey obi ehu
me kyerɛ sɛ na me satam de na me director
oh no director but this no can asem
on director bia ye adwuma but na adwuma no me director na ye sɛ
na obu abam
bu mabam sɛ me deserve wo sɛ me deserve wo sɛ me twesene
just like that
oh yeah I should go home but Paulino
na what started
na me be wura mu na me
first time on what start
oh no oni me a share a couple of time but na say ye upcoming nti na ye nhyeda ma ye major role bia
okay
you get it nti na scene bi a ye twa na ye creativity bi and on say ade ne say wo upcoming na wo pese wo ye de be ma ye be hu ana say eno de na saa time no na omu agree saa na yetimi man kola ne chance ma obi ye bi no that time that chance no nye easy say ne be jama wunya wo try class obi o mbeka wa hye
okay
it was there
it is spirit beka wa hye
o beka physically e beka cha say kwatena se na we mra because they've you see na make say enne no ya fa ne ma say satan mamumu enne ya mo feel say ntawanta satan ntawanta no class enne ya abolobo na ya kakraka but adwuma wo ho
wow
obi ye bi enti se obi fon wo kra na emfa wo onwene ho. That is why I still stand on the ground say we need investors
that will solve the problem.
Say yenya investors say aban no eso yasene say ankrankra eso yemu a ye benya nwuma ne ntoaso ama obi mtena faako emma wo mfa nye konkonsa die.
Okay. And I say aban no nye structures bi emma the film industry.
Aban no na make kan say aban beko aban beba de okoye amwa ye hwe de aba. Because oh no amwa I don't know yem penokure.
Okay.
When it comes to creative industry crowd ya ne nka mo budget ho ya nka ho nso da ankrankra bi ne benefit ye.
Okay.
And which ye can the population a what movie industry man say the creative industry mo
a lot.
A lot. See you see ye ni ye be bo man na akasa.
Because creative jobs.
Oh, of course.
Creative jobs pa. All right, many comfort colleague and our high education. And some of the you become bebree. A high Paulino team there, so subscribe it.
Yeah.
The didn't come bebree, future so bebree. You hear investors that boy industry no.
Of course.
Yes, so I hear you man. Yenye
simple.
Okay. Where they may be sir.
Busa.
Now you're trying to say like it come. Lewin come.
Yeah.
Omuntimi nkolabo me personally me ne lewe na twetwe nkomo me ne checheku so twetwe nkomo me bisa checheku say if say akonya ne ba say ye frɛ wo lewe camper obeye adwuma na one lewe na ekosi aye adwuma obeye adwuma e ma ne ka say e fa right channel nkwan de a obeye adwuma lewe nso ka say ono de why not na omo na mpe say checheku be de e beba ene ya hu say ono checheku eye adwuma hu ne say
Paulino ade wenye ninsu bia o.
Okay.
Enya nwanwa bia o.
Okay.
Checheku ye ne ayakola, wo ya akola wo twesini. Checheku enya superhero nsini obia.
Okay.
But eye nipa e wo ne ho. Ene believe say ye ma akola na nkonko adwuma. Ono obenya akora nko na obia ya adwuma.
Okay. Because Tracy Wache so ever complaining the same.
One ni problem ya and he is not better than anybody. Oh, nti said na me ka no. Anya say o ye good sini obi.
Okay.
Ono kra won kan bi da. But just say won e won ho no. Na emmoa no. But mesere wo mo nso say mo bo nipa mo hwe ne da ache.
Okay.
Ma mo hwe de mo hu ne ne.
Okay.
Sabi yenum bi ne yagina mu a busa say de entia ya ahobrase ahofama.
Okay.
Because say ye ne sa anka ebia kasamre yi anka ye ho anye nipa akono.
Yeah, I think say on Chichikuni Tracy video be yes our content. I don't know how management in take because say you can say abrabo no de Kai, when you started.
Exactly.
Because a bedroom will not open set young from Pony Bitcha.
Nebitra.
Say a coin in the back near Cassie Bitcha.
Nankola
also rejected there. I mean, you know how to. I mean,
Nankola egu pemwa edoso. Ena sebi. Ena meka se ono obenya kra nko na obia ye adwuma.
But team no.
Ena de oye no nso metena se or the respect amma the oboa no.
Okay.
It's good.
It's like stopping Checheku.
Minim the management team no nipa na dodo. But